Here's the cold truth. Businesses that ignore AI today will become the Blockbusters and Kodaks of tomorrow. Is that harsh? Yes. Is it true? Absolutely. AI is not just some tech buzzword. It's the biggest business shift since the internet. And if you're not future-proofing your business with AI right now, you're already behind. But here's the good news. You can catch up faster than you think. Imagine this. A small bakery in New York used AI to analyze customer purchase patterns. They discovered that on rainy days, sales increased for hot chocolate by 34% on rainy days. So now, every rainy morning, their ads and their promotions shift automatically to push hot chocolate, and the sales spiked without any guesswork at all. That's not science fiction. That's smart business. And so let's break down how you can future-proof your business with AI in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is automate the repetitive. Let's be honest. Every business has tasks that eat up time, but they don't directly grow revenue. Things like scheduling appointments, answering the same customer questions over and over again, or manually entering data into spreadsheets. This is where AI shines. Automation is about reclaiming your time, because time wasted on repetitive work is profit leaking out of your business. Think of it like a leaky bucket. If you're constantly pouring water into a bucket that has holes in it, you'll never fill it. And the water is like your time, your energy, and your resources. You continue to put all those things into something that just falls out of the bottom, then you'll never fill it and you waste a lot of time. AI is the tool that plugs those holes. Here's a real world example. A small law firm was spending hours each week drafting the same basic client emails. And then they introduced an AI powered email assistant that automatically wrote the first drafts of contracts. It scheduled appointment reminders and follow-up emails automatically. And what used to take them hours to do, it now takes them 15 minutes. That's not just saving time. It's creating capacity for more billable hours, more clients, and more revenue. And the truth is, automation doesn't just replace people. It empowers people. It takes the boring, repetitive, brain-draining tasks off your plate so you can focus on creative, strategic, high-level work. If you're wondering where to start, begin with your biggest bottlenecks. Like, what are your biggest bottlenecks? Is it customer service? Well, you can handle that with chatbots that answer FAQs instantly. Is scheduling a bottleneck for you? Well, AI calendar tools, they book appointments automatically for you without the back and forth email. Like, a good example of this is Calendly. Like, that can schedule emails for you, without going back and forth with people. That's the same example, but there's AI tools that do that, and it does it even better than using Calendly. And then, is data entry, is that a bottleneck for you? Does that take a lot of time? Well, there are AI tools that capture the information and sort the information for you automatically. The mindset shift is this. If a task is predictable, repeatable, and boring, it's probably better done by AI. That way, you and your team can focus on innovation, not limitation. Business owners, are you struggling to make more revenue and profit? Well, I want to invite you to the Millionaire Makers Network. It's 100% free to join. You can join the network today and learn how to make more profit in your business so that you can make a higher income, so that you can finally earn what you're worth and stop leaving money on the table. Have more disposable income so you can enjoy life's extras without stressing about bills. Make more income to invest so that you can have the ultimate freedom so your money works for you, building wealth and buying back your time. Have profits growing predictably so that you can scale with confidence, knowing your business brings in consistent cash flow every month. Just click the link in the description to join for free. Now, back to the video. Number 2 is amplify your marketing. Here's the deal. Marketing is no longer about shouting louder than your competitors. It's about being smarter. And this is where AI gives small businesses a superpower that was once reserved for big Fortune 500 companies. Think of AI like a magnifying glass for your marketing. It doesn't just make things bigger, it makes them sharper. Instead of guessing which ads might work, AI tells you which ads will work, when to show the ads, and who's most likely to buy. Here's a story for you. A boutique e-commerce store that sold handmade jewelry used AI to analyze customer buying behavior. The AI noticed that repeat buyers often looked at a new collection 3 times before purchasing. So what do? They automatically set it to trigger a personalized email offering 10% off after the second view, because they knew on that third view it was either make or break. And so they scheduled it after they looked at something twice to automatically trigger a 10% discount. And when they did this, sales doubled in about a month. Not because they spent more money on ads, but because they were smarter with their marketing. Here's a couple things that AI can help you do. It can help you personalize at scale. Imagine sending 1,000 emails that each read like they were written for one person. That's what you call AI-powered personalization. It's able to predict buying behavior. AI looks at patterns. And when customers buy, what they buy, all of that, AI can look at all that. It can look at when they buy, what they buy, and when they'll likely buy next. And then the third thing is it can help you to optimize your ad spend. Instead of wasting money on spray and pray ads, AI helps you to pinpoint where your dollars bring in the biggest return. You see, marketing, it used to be like throwing darts blindfolded, hoping something hits. Well, with AI, it's like taking the blindfold off, turning on all the lights, and stepping closer to the board, and your chances of hitting the bullseye increases dramatically. So, if you've ever felt like marketing is just money going out the door without any results coming back in, AI is the game changer that helps you to stop spending and start investing. And then the last thing is it helps you to anticipate the future. Most businesses operate in reaction mode. They wait until something happens and then they scramble to respond. But here's the truth. Businesses that thrive are not the ones who are reacting to everything the fastest. They're the ones who are anticipating what's coming. Because you can try to sharpen your ability to react faster, and that can get you a little bit of leverage. But what you really want to do is you want to start to anticipate what's coming. And AI is a tool that can help you do that. It's kind of like AI being your crystal ball. It doesn't just track what's happening now, it predicts what's likely to happen next. Think about a grocery store chain using AI to analyze weather data, purchase history, and local events. And the AI can predict before big football games the sales of chips and soda. And then they will predict that and then promote those items in advance. And the results can be shelves can be full, customers happy, and sales will spike, and the competitors are left trying to play catch up. This is what anticipating the future looks like. Forecasting demand. AI can predict when sales will peak or when they'll dip so that you can plan your inventory, you can plan your staffing, and you can plan your cash flow ahead of time. Another thing it is spotting trends. Before your competitors even notice a shift in customer behavior, your AI flags it, giving you first mover's advantage. And then the last thing is managing risk. From supply chain disruptions to customer churn, AI helps you to see red flags early and you can pivot before it's too late. AI doesn't guarantee that you'll never face storms in your business, but it does give you a radar so that you're not flying blind into the future. And in today's economy, the ability to anticipate beats the ability to react every single time. So here's the deal. Don't wait until it's too late. Start small. Pick one AI tool that you can start testing in your business this week, whether that's for marketing, customer service, or operations. Pick one and start using it. But don't do it alone. That's why I created the Millionaire Makers Network, a community of entrepreneurs who are serious about scaling their business. Inside, you'll get access to tools, strategies, and support to future-proof your business and grow what matters most, which is your revenue and profit. And the best part, it's completely free to join. Click the link in the description, join today, and connect with other growth-minded entrepreneurs who are already using AI to level up their business. If you're serious about thriving in the AI era, subscribe to the channel, join the network right now, and together we can build businesses that don't just survive the future, they dominate it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.